In this video, we're going to swatch all my Crayola washable broad line markers. We'll also show you how to label them and create your own color guide. You'll see the Big 40 exclusive colors, and at the end, we'll figure out which set you should buy. Hey friends, it's Day here and I'm helping stationery collectors build their collection. Links at the description box are pinned at the comment section. Let's begin. The Crayola washable broad line markers are known for their vibrant colors, thick tips, and easy washability. So today, we're swatching every single one. But before that, let's make a color guide. How do you make your own color guide? Since these markers are stored vertically and the color names are printed on the body, it's actually hard to see each shade at a glance. So here's what I did. First, I assigned a number to each color. Then I labeled the top of each cup with the same number. I'm using a Faber-Castell Multi-Mark permanent marker with a medium tip for this. Now we're ready to swatch. Let's begin with the Crayola Colors of the World markers. It is divided into 3 color categories: almond, golden, and rose. Let's take a closer look at the shades in each category. Extra light almond, very light almond, light almond, light medium almond, medium almond, medium deep almond, deep almond, very deep almond, extra deep almond, and deepest almond. Very light golden, light golden, light medium golden, medium golden, medium deep golden, deep golden, extra deep golden. Very light rose, light rose, light medium rose, medium deep rose, deep rose, very deep rose, and extra deep rose. Overall, this set is perfect for portrait lovers. The variety of skin tones helps make your artwork look more natural and diverse. Let's proceed to the Crayola Big 40 marker. The Crayola Big 40 marker is a must-have in the stationery community. It offers a wide range of colors that make it great for swatching and creative projects. Let's swatch them. Coral Reef, Infrared, Red, Raspberry, Golden Yellow, Orange Circuit, Orange, Pumpkin, Laser Lemon, Yellow, Electric Lime, Kiwi, Palm Leaf, Green, Graphic Green, Emerald, Teal, Seafoam Green, Turquoise Surf, Blue Lagoon, Battery Charged Blue, Blue Ball, Blue, Azure, Tropical Violet, Violet or Purple, Ultraviolet, Plum, Primrose, Wild Orchid, Parrot Pink, hot magenta, hot pink, pink, sandy tan, copper, brown, dolphin gray, gray, and black. Overall, the Big 40 markers offers a vibrant 40 colors. It is perfect for creatives and collectors. However, it can be a bit pricey, especially if you're in a developing country like Philippines. So, let's see if this 8-color set can be a good alternative to the Big 40 markers. Starting with the Crayola Tropical markers. This set features bright, playful colors inspired by sunny beach vibe. Let's swatch them. Coral Reef, Sandy Tan, Seafoam Green, Blue Lagoon, Tropical Violet, Wild Orchid, Flamingo Pink, and Dolphin Gray. Overall, this set is perfect for adding a fun, vibrant touch to your swatches and artwork. Let's proceed to the Crayola Bold markers. This set features rich, highly saturated colors that stand out. Let's swatch them. Raspberry, golden yellow, emerald, teal, plum, primrose, and copper. Overall, this set is perfect for strong highlights, lettering, and eye-catching design. Let's proceed to the Crayola Bright set. This set features vivid, cheerful colors. Let's swatch them. Infrared, laser lemon, electric lime, graphic green, orange circuit, hot pink, battery charged blue, and ultraviolet. Overall, this set is perfect for everyday coloring, journaling, and adding a lively pop to your design. Let's proceed to the Crayola Classic markers. This set features basic, essential colors. Let's swatch them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet or purple, brown, and black. Overall, this set is perfect for everyday use and a great starting point for any coloring or creative project. And now, for the most awaited part, the Crayola Big 40 exclusive colors. These are the shades that you won't find in the smaller set. Let's reveal them. Pumpkin, palm leaf, kiwi, blue ball, turquoise surf, hot magenta, pink, gray, parrot pink. These are the shades you won't find in a smaller set. So if you're after for more unique colors, this is where it really stands out. Overall, I love how vibrant and fun the color selection in across these sets. However, the Flamingo Pink is exclusively available in Tropical set. Here's a side-by-side comparison of pink and Flamingo Pink. Also, the gray and pink is available in Classic 10 variants. But in my case, I got only the 8 classic colors. So, I'll make an updated chart. Now, do they bleed or ghost? This is what the back of the paper looks like after swatching. There's some ghosting, but it doesn't lead through the next page, which is pretty normal for water-based markers. Keep in mind, I tend to be a heavy-handed, and this is on a ATGSM paper. Now, which set should you buy? If you're a beginner or just need basic colors, go for the classic or bright set. If you love drawing portraits, the Colors of the World set is a must. And if you want more vibrant and fun shade, the bold or tropical set are a great choice. But if you want the most complete range with exclusive colors, then the Big 40 is definitely worth it. And there you have it, my Crayola Ultra Clean Washable Markers. Let me know in the comments if you want more in-depth review of these markers. If you love videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay happy and creative.